Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to share your live location in text message on iPhone. Go to your message app and go to the chat or conversation where you want to share your live location. Now just tap on this plus icon and here search for location. Just tap on location and here you'll find your current location. Now just tap on share and share my location. You can select a specific duration to share your location. So here's I'm selecting for 1 hour, and now all you have to need just tap on send and that's it. Now the recipient will be able to see your current location by tapping on this little map in conversation. And to stop location, just tap on the location again and tap on stop sharing my location, and the location share will be stopped. So that's how we can share live location in text message on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.